All right, so we just finished up here, and we're gonna get ready. Fantastic. Just made a new friend here in Palm Beach, Florida. We just repaired the doors. We're gonna ease on down. Locksmith Eddie has done it again. Got my client all taken care of. She's happy. And now we're gonna just kind of head on down to our next destination. There we go. We got Rod Stewart's mansion right here. Rod Stewart, the rocker, right here. Ken Griffin, right down here. Fantastic day here. Palm Beach Billionaires Row with another completed, satisfied customer right here in beautiful Palm Beach, Florida. We have Mr. Citadel Hedge Fund, Ken Griffin. Ken Griffin's mansion right up here on the right. Most expensive property tax bill at $5.5 million. And he owns the largest vacant lot in Palm Beach. He assembled it, and it'll be over $2 billion. $2 billion. You can see all of the buildings they're building up in there, all kind of stuff. It's just big construction. And then we come over here to Donald Trump. That's right. We have Jeff Green over here on the right. And then we come right to the Bath and Tennis Club. And we go right here to Donald Trump's Mar-a-Lago. So there you have it, Mr. Sunshine Locksmith Eddie. Back at it again.
Front K-band.
Right over here to the security entrance here. Donald Trump. Oh, got the red light. Gonna wait for the cars to come across. They're having another event here at Mar-a-Lago. I will actually be here for the Rolls-Royce event next weekend, or the following weekend. I'm not sure. I'll have to get the date. There we go.